When we think about Ronaldo, we think of moments like these.
Ele fez de novo! Ele fez de novo! Mais uma vez! Ele é incansável! Ele vence! Vence! E vence!
Few of you might not know this, but he is also known for this.
Shopee?
Comme Shopee.
Bro got paid generational wealth to do that. Anyway, that was Shopee. And this is an Asian e-commerce website from Singapore where
I'm trying to make my money worth.
Anyway, since the goat appeared on the site, I will attempt to make a budget keyboard here. This is the SK98 from Everglide, a 98% layout featuring 3 modes, metal plate, and a really good set of stabilizer. And after some struggling and some questionable behavior,
This shit hard. How many screws are there?
I managed to tear down the whole kit. I then do the tape mod, put on PE foam and fix the stabilizers. I then put it all back together,